This morning, one of the first school districts in our state to reopen has now seen an uptick in COVID cases, although it's unknown where the transmissions occurred.
Yeah, the Sweetwater Union High School District started the new school year nearly 2 weeks ago. News 8's Chris Groh joining us live near Eastlake High School with the very latest on this. Good morning, Chris.
Good morning, Eric and Stella. And look, yes, one of the very first school districts to reopen their schools. And what we're looking at right now, about 58 cases amongst the 40,000, nearly 40,000 students, staff, and teachers within the schools. But it only makes up 0.145%, less than 1% of that population. However, what we're hearing about right now in terms of the concerns, not necessarily with that rise, but with the quarantine process that is in place for those that do test positive and those that come in contact with those that are positive.
Problem is that quarantine only works when you actually isolate the people who are contagious. And with this coronavirus, people are contagious before they have symptoms.
And that's Dr. Thomas Lead, a science teacher at Eastlake High School, where as of Monday, 8 of those 58 COVID cases have been reported. Now, let's break down the district's quarantine policy. It mandates anyone that tests positive must stay home for 10 days and then return with a negative test. But when it comes to those in contact with that person, if they are vaccinated, they can remain on campus as long as they stay symptom-free. If they're not vaccinated, they can still stay if they agree to a series of COVID tests over a 10-day period and remain negative. Now, Dr. Leet points out that you can still be contagious and asymptomatic at the same time. We did speak with the district, and they told us, hey, that they are getting their guidance from the CDC, the San Diego Public Health Department, and the County Office of Education.
COVID is in our community, and our students and our staff are a part of the community. And so that's how it's coming onto campus. So I don't find it surprising. Unfortunately, it's here, but again, our students and our families are a part of the community. And so what's going on outside of our schools is what we're seeing coming onto our campuses.
And other measures could be put into place according to the district, but right now, no plans for that set in stone and no timing as of yet as well. Eric and Stella?